Good morning. It is Monday, December the 30th, I believe, and my husband just left for work. There is definitely much to be done this week. For starters, I need to go do a walkthrough of our apartment. There's not like a scheduled date and time that I want to do this with the leasing office. I just need to get it done today or before tomorrow, which is when the lease ends. I need to contact Progressive to let them know that our security system was installed so that they won't cancel our discount. Also, I need to cancel our renter insurance after we turn in the keys and do the walkthrough, which I'm realizing we won't be able to turn in the keys until tomorrow. So maybe I'll do the walkthrough of the apartment tomorrow because my husband just left for work with the keys and I need those, and he won't be off work by the time that the office closes. But I guess we could still do the walkthrough. I may still do the walkthrough and just turn in the keys tomorrow. And I think I mentioned I need to cancel renter insurance after the walkthrough. This is my last couple of days before I return to work. So today I would really like to film some videos. I haven't filmed any of my regular sit down videos in a while, mainly because I don't have internet anyway, but I could go, you know, to like a Starbucks and upload them, which I may do. I also want to work on getting the shop together, which is going to be the spare bedroom, and I'll show you guys the progress on that, and putting together like a little nook in my office. That office is going to look much differently than what it looks right now, but I still need to have it look remotely presentable because I need to use it for filming purposes. So like I said, there is much to be done. I'm hungry right now. I need to get dressed. I need to decide if I am going to film videos. If I am, I'm probably going to put on makeup, and then I'll also, like I said, need to like get some rooms together. So I think that I'm going to start with the shop and getting the shop together, and then I'll go downstairs and try to get it together, and then I'll get dressed and slap on some makeup. I'll just do like a little light beat, presentable enough to film a couple videos. The workers are working right now, so that's kind of annoying to me, but hopefully, you know, by the time that I'm ready to film and stuff, it won't be too terrible because they've been here since really early. I was thinking perhaps I could beat them, but nah, they got here at like 7 o'clock. Like as soon as the sun rose, whatever, they were working. So anyway, that's kind of like what's going on today. I still have a few days that I can use to get stuff done before I return to work. Of course, I can continue to get stuff done then anyway. Also this week, we're gonna focus on getting the TVs mounted since we'll have cable and internet, and also work on getting our dining room table and chairs and possibly bar stools. So anyway, lots to do this week, to include returning to work, which is going to be a sad day, but whatever. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I have been organizing literally all day, and I just stopped because I am trying to tackle my little to-do list. So Progressive actually contacted me, thankfully, which kind of got the ball rolling to have me to send over where we had the security system installed, like the document that showed what's being monitored, what is being secured, and the date. And then also I went ahead and called Liberty Mutual to cancel our renter insurance, and he said that my refund, because we paid that up until May, because we didn't know at the time that we would be here. So my refund should be in the mail to the new house in 5 to 7 business days, something like that. And then the last thing is my apartment walkthrough. That isn't like scheduled, it's kind of random. I can just pop up and do one. So I think I may go over now. What time is it? It's 3:14. I have an appointment at 4, so yeah, probably not a different appointment. But let me see, I did have something sent to the house. One last thing being sent to the house. Hopefully the freaking thing isn't forwarded, because that would be so annoying if it gets forwarded here, which I'm sure it probably will. It's out for delivery. I don't know if it's going to be delivered here or the new package transferred to local post office for final delivery. I don't know. Anyway, It may come here because I forwarded all mail as of the 27th. I had it to start being forwarded here to the new address, which I need to change everything and put the new address on everything. But anyway, I don't think I'm gonna have time for that, so I may be able to do it after my 4 o'clock appointment, or I may just do it tomorrow, which is of course the 31st and the last day of our the lease. So if it doesn't happen today, it for sure has to happen tomorrow. So I thought that I would update you guys really quickly. Today is still the 30th of December. It's Monday, and we actually went to the apartment to do the walkthrough. We went ahead and did the walkthrough and turned in our keys. She was telling us that they were just going to gut the apartment anyway because they have been upgrading all of the apartments, which we knew that, but we still did go ahead and pay the lady $100 to clean the other day, and that was just for convenience, honestly, because that's pretty much it. So we are expecting, she did say that we would get our deposit back, so we are expecting that back, so I'm super excited about that. But after we did the walkthrough, we went to Walmart to get groceries and such, and then I went to Home Goods finally. So I want to show you guys what I got at Home Goods because I'm obsessed. Okay, so basically, this is so cute. I got a bunch of storage bins. So this one says lotions and potions, which I'm gonna put my smell good stuff in there. And then I got these two, and this one was $7.99. So the ones at Home Goods are a little fancier than the ones at like Marshall's and Ross and stuff like that, and they cost a little bit more too, but not too much more. So this one, these are matching. One is just a little bit bigger. The smaller one is $7.99, and then the larger one is $9.99. And I got some more stuff. I do not think I like this angle at all, but I'm on this little short tripod and my back hurts if I'm bending over all slouched and whatnot. So I got this one from RGI Home, and this was $4.99. There was actually one a little bit bigger than this, and then one bigger than that one. So it was like a set, but I bought the smaller one. And then this actually came in a set, and it was $20. And honestly, if you do the math, this is actually a pretty good deal. So this one was $19.99, and there are 4 of them in there, with 2 of them being really small and the same size. So I'm gonna make something of all of those. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is plenty. And then I did go ahead and buy us a freaking $30 microfiber bath rug, but it's big enough because for both of us, because it is a double sink runner. So I thought that was pretty convenient, and it's really nice. You see that? I felt like that gave it a really like plush luxury vibe. And then I just got us a bath rug, which it doesn't necessarily match, but it's of the same line. I think it maybe is supposed to match, but it just looks a little different because it's smaller. And this from Christy, same as that rug, and it's just like a 100% cotton bath rug, and it was $7.99, so much cheaper than this rug. I don't know what's up with that. So I'm gonna put this outside of the shower, and then that in front of our double vanity. Yeah, that is my Home Goods haul. I think I'm pretty much finished with, first of all, buying stuff for the house for the year and for the month. And so I will pick back up in January. I think I mentioned this to you guys earlier today, perhaps. Anyway, we're gonna move on to doing the dining room area and getting our TVs mounted. So that's kind of like what's gonna be going on around here. But I will check in with you guys tomorrow because I'm gonna be doing more organizing. I don't go back to work until January the 2nd, so I'll be doing organizing up until then. So yeah, anyway, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. I think I'm gonna get a Swiffer duster for the blinds because they are super dusty and I need to get in the crevices. Y'all, I am beyond annoyed. It is New Year's Eve. I've been out running errands. My husband and I actually searched Facebook Marketplace, of course, to see if we could find somebody to come install our TVs or mount our TVs. We found somebody, so we scheduled him for the evening after AT&T was supposed to come to install our cable and internet. However, I just got a call from AT&T saying that they're gonna have to reschedule until further notice. I'm so annoyed. So annoyed, like so very annoyed. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the meantime, but I am pretty annoyed by that. I just don't have the words. Anyway, I just hit 50K today on New Year's Eve. So I'm going to be ringing it. I'm doing the most. So I have these little bubble numbers, and I'm trying to take a good picture. That's currently what I'm doing so that I can post it. But yeah, just thought that I would mention that I am beyond annoyed.